somewhere back there. That slow ass shit.
Nigga say, what's in your tail lights? Oh my God, shit, nigga. You said you trying to run it at the light? You said you trying to run it at the light? Let me show y'all what a 305.7 do to this slow ass scat. Let me show y'all.
He's pushing all the buttons in his car.
Don't start changing the modes, pussy. Don't start changing the modes, pussy. Leave it eco.
Yeah.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
That's Scott for you, man. 6'4" bitch.
My shit, wait. Hey, my shit was in there. You that don't count.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
We gotta do a 60 roll.